मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि रोजाना मुताला जारी रखूंगा।
I will hopefully continue to study daily. I will hopefully continue to study daily.
आज इसके आने का ज्यादा इम्कान नहीं है।
He is not very likely to come today. He is not very likely to come today.
ऐसा लगा जैसे ये कोई ख्वाब हो।
It felt as though it was a dream. It felt as though it was a dream.
आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इस पानी में चला गया।
Drifted slowly into these waters. Drifted slowly into these waters.
इसके पास फन का हुनर है।
He has a talent for art. He has a talent for art.
मैं आपके साथ अपनी कहानी शेयर करना चाहूँगा।
I would like to share my story with you. I would like to share my story with you.
ये एक और दिन की कहानी है।
That is a story for another day. That is a story for another day.
इसने एतिमाद के साथ अपनी तजवीज़ पेश की।
He asserted his proposal with confidence. He asserted his proposal with confidence.
मुझे अपनी भांजियों को जल्द अलविदा कहना पड़ा।
I had to say goodbye early to my nieces. I had to say goodbye early to my nieces.
गाड़ी सड़क की तरफ फिसल रही थी।
The car was slipping toward the road. The car was slipping toward the road.
मैंने उसके साथ रक्स की मशक की।
I practiced the dance with him. I practiced the dance with him.
इसने मामूल की तरह गुफ्तगू जारी रखी।
He continued the conversation like normal. He continued the conversation like normal.
ये हल का हिस्सा है।
That is part of the solution. That is part of the solution.
आपने कहा कि आप इसमें शामिल नहीं होंगे।
You said you would not become involved. You said you would not become involved.
मैंने गली के आखिर में रोशनियों को देखा।
I spotted the lights at the end of the street. I spotted the lights at the end of the street.
अपने बेहतरीन दोस्त के साथ शाना बशाना चलना.
Walking side by side with my best friend. Walking side by side with my best friend.
मेरे स्वेटर के जरिए थोड़ी सी सर्दी दाखिल हुई.
The cold bit through my sweater. The cold bit through my sweater.
सांप बज़ाहिर अपने शिकार को मारने के लिए बेनियाज हो गया.
The snake visibly uncoiled to strike its prey. The snake visibly uncoiled to strike its prey.
मेरी बिल्ली हरकत करना बंद नहीं करेगी.
My cat would not stop moving. My cat would not stop moving.
इन्होंने तेजी से अपनी तकरीर का इख्तिताम किया.
He went on rapidly to conclude his speech. He went on rapidly to conclude his speech.
डांसर बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है अपने ख्वाबों को पूरा करने के लिए.
Trying to fulfill his dreams of becoming a dancer. Trying to fulfill his dreams of becoming a dancer.
इसका गला साफ करने से बार बार हाज़रीन की तवज्जो हासिल हुई.
Clearing her throat repeatedly got the attention of the audience. Clearing her throat repeatedly got the attention of the audience.
गेंद उछलती हुई जमीन से लगकर जाल में गई.
The ball went bouncing off the ground and into the net. The ball went bouncing off the ground and into the net.
इसके जूते इस जगह पर बार बार टक टक कर रहे थे.
His shoes kept clicking against the spot. His shoes kept clicking against the spot.
इसने मौका पर ही ऊंची आवाज में गाना शुरू कर दिया.
He started singing loudly on the spot. He started singing loudly on the spot.
वो अपने आज़ा को फैलाने के लिए खड़ी थी.
She stood to stretch her limbs. She stood to stretch her limbs.
आग सांस लेना मुश्किल कर रही थी.
The fire was making it hard to breathe. The fire was making it hard to breathe.
मैंने मिजाज हल्का करने की कोशिश की.
I tried to lighten the mood. I tried to lighten the mood.
गिरफ्तारी से पहले पुलिस को उसे मुतहर्रिक करना पड़ा।
The police had to immobilize him before capture. The police had to immobilize him before capture.
वहाँ का फासला अब ज्यादा नहीं रहा।
The distance there is no longer far. The distance there is no longer far.
मुझे इसे करीब रखने की ख्वाहिश थी।
I had the urge to hold it closer. I had the urge to hold it closer.
बच्चे ने अपनी टैडी को अपने सीने से लगाया।
The baby held her teddy close to her chest. The baby held her teddy close to her chest.
इसने अपनी सालगिरह की तकरीब में जोश व खरोश से रक्स किया।
He danced excitedly at his birthday party. He danced excitedly at his birthday party.
ये एक धमाका था।
It was a blast. It was a blast.
मैंने अपनी मीटिंग के लिए आवाज बंद कर दी।
I muted the sound for my meeting. I muted the sound for my meeting.
वो मदद की पेशकश कर रहा था।
He was offering to help. He was offering to help.
लड़कियां आगे बढ़ रही थी।
The girls were on the move. The girls were on the move.
तस्वीर से बाहर।
Out of the picture. Out of the picture.
इसके बाद वीडियो को हरकत में लाया गया।
The video was then set into motion. The video was then set into motion.
मुझे नहीं मालूम कि मैं उसे मुझ पर यकीन दिलाने के लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ।
I don't know what I can do to make him believe in me. I don't know what I can do to make him believe in me.
इसने कहा कि वो मजीद नहीं जाना चाहती।
She said she didn't want to go any longer. She said she didn't want to go any longer.
मैंने हाथ बढ़ाकर कुर्सी को छुआ।
I reached out and touched the chair. I reached out and touched the chair.
मकड़ी रेंगती हुई मेज की तरफ आई।
The spider crawled onto the table. The spider crawled onto the table.
वो कुछ समझने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
He was trying to make sense of something. He was trying to make sense of something.
मुझे ये हकीकत पसंद है कि वो मुकाबले से पहले हमेशा मजबूत रहती है।
I like the fact that she always acted strong before challenges. I like the fact that she always acted strong before challenges.
बारिश ने सड़क को देखना मुश्किल कर दिया।
The rain made it hard to see the road. The rain made it hard to see the road.
इसने काम का कुछ हिस्सा मुकम्मल किया।
He completed part of the task. He completed part of the task.
इसने मौजू उठाया।
She did bring up the topic. She did bring up the topic.
वो दोनों टेबल के नीचे शिफ्ट हो गए।
They both shifted under the table. They both shifted under the table.
तलबा को छोटे नोट बनाने के लिए कहा गया।
The students were prompted to make little notes. The students were prompted to make little notes.
वो चोरी छपे क्लास में आया।
He tiptoed into the class. He tiptoed into the class.
बावर्ची खाना साफ सुथरा था।
The kitchen was wiped clean. The kitchen was wiped clean.
मैं कुछ जरूरी कहने के बीच में था।
I was in the middle of saying something important. I was in the middle of saying something important.
ये मैदान में हुआ।
It took place on the field. It took place on the field.
जरा तसव्वुर करें कि इन वीडियोस को देखने में कितना वक्त लगा।
Imagine the time it took to watch those videos. Imagine the time it took to watch those videos.
मैं आगे के काम पर तवज्जो मरकूज कर रहा हूँ।
I am focused on the task ahead. I am focused on the task ahead.
मुझे दूसरों की मदद करना पसंद है।
I love to help others. I love to help others.
इसने अपनी चपस पर गिरफ्त छोड़ दी।
He released his grip on his chips. He released his grip on his chips.
बस भूल जाओ ऐसा कभी हवा है।
Just forget this ever happened. Just forget this ever happened.
आप बाहर जाकर खा सकते थे।
You could go out and eat. You could go out and eat.
आपको पहले से तैयारी करनी चाहिए थी।
You should have prepared ahead. You should have prepared ahead.
वो गौर से कागज का मुताला करता रहा।
He kept studying the paper intently. He kept studying the paper intently.
अपने पड़ोसी के बच्चों को छोड़ना एक मामूल बन गया।
Dropping off his neighbor's kids became a routine. Dropping off his neighbor's kids became a routine.
वो साथ गाने पर आमादा हुए।
They were tempted to sing along. They were tempted to sing along.
शायकीन ने बैंड पर बहुत ज्यादा तवज्जो दी।
The fans paid much attention to the band. The fans paid much attention to the band.
आपका तारुफ करवा कर अच्छा लगा।
Nice to make Jura Quintense. Nice to make Jura Quintense.
गोदाम के पीछे से बकरी निकल आई।
The goat came out from behind the barn. The goat came out from behind the barn.
इसने उंगली से शक्ल खींची।
He drew the shape with a finger. He drew the shape with a finger.
वो गुस्से से चीख उठी।
She screamed out with rage. She screamed out with rage.
ये सब कुछ था।
That was all. That was all.
वो पार्क के छोटे से दरवाजे में फिट नहीं हो सकता था।
He couldn't fit in the tiny door at the park. He couldn't fit in the tiny door at the park.
सारे बर्तन इसके हाथ से गिरकर टूट गए।
All the dishes fell from his hand and broke. All the dishes fell from his hand and broke.
शीशे के टुकड़े हर जगह बिखर गए।
The pieces of glass went all over the place. The pieces of glass went all over the place.
गाड़ी से बचने के लिए भीड़ बिखर गई।
The crowd scattered to avoid the car. The crowd scattered to avoid the car.
गाड़ी इसके सामने आकर रुकी।
The car came to a stop before her. The car came to a stop before her.
मुलाजमत से पहले वो एक खौफनाक अमल से गुजरा।
He went through a terrible process before being hired. He went through a terrible process before being hired.
ट्रक सड़क से उलट गया।
The truck veered off the road. The truck veered off the road.
वो खैर मुतवाज़न लग रही थी और हादसे से हिल गई थी।
She seemed unbalanced and shaken from the accident. She seemed unbalanced and shaken from the accident.
बच्चा सारा दिन रोता रहा।
The baby cried all day. The baby cried all day.
मैं टैक्सी के साथ तसादुम से बचने में कामयाब हो गया।
I managed to escape the head-on collision with a taxi. I managed to escape the head-on collision with a taxi.
पुलिस ने हंगामा खत्म करने की कोशिश की।
The police attempted to end the commotion. The police attempted to end the commotion.
आप इसका गुस्सा भड़का सकते थे।
You could have invoked his anger. You could have invoked his anger.
मैंने दरवाजे से लात मारी।
I kicked through the gates. I kicked through the gates.
वो ऑप्शंस पर गौर करके रह गई थी।
She was left considering the options. She was left considering the options.
वो ये नज़ारा देखकर खुश दिखाई दिया।
He looked delighted by the sight. He looked delighted by the sight.
मैंने घर की तमाम लाइट्स बंद कर दी।
I turned off all the lights in the house. I turned off all the lights in the house.
वो सीने पर बाजू बांधे खड़ी थी।
She stood with her arms folded across her chest. She stood with her arms folded across her chest.
मैंने सब्र से दोनों के दरमियान तबादला देखा।
I patiently watched the exchange between the two. I patiently watched the exchange between the two.
आग पर रखे खाने पर एक नजर डालें।
Have a look at the food on fire. Have a look at the food on fire.
कोई रास्ता होना चाहिए।
There has to be a way. There has to be a way.